I can't wait for the cops to come up from the subway.
I don't care.
Oh man, I gotta go Periscope.
What's Periscope?
Periscope's the one.
Oh man, look at that!
He's gonna. We got you. We're good. It's a little cold out there, right?
Wow!
Hey, you're probably pull up your pants.
You know what? I said to the guy, can you help me with my shoes?
Can you help me with my pants?
Bend over.
He's just friend.
He's like, nah, buddy. There's a little storm out here. Did you get the cigarettes?
No, that was the fourth plate.
I'll go.
That was foreplay to get cigarettes.
I'm going to go and get you cigarettes.
When you get them, I want one.
Ow! What were you doing out there?
It just came to me.
Again, you?
No, it just came to me.
There we go. Frankie, turn it up a little bit.
Frankie.
I tried to get my shoes.
Yeah, this is a bar, dude.
You're good.
This is a good.
Yeah.
Should have taken my shoes off. Look. Next.
Let's groove tonight.